In 2018, pest control should be as green as possible. For safety reasons, sometimes wasp nests or other insect populations have to be removed. In this case, we use green alternatives that don't harm the environment and still maintain the insect population and biodiversity that is important for our environment. So we just treated a wasp nest. We're in Germany today. It's August the 2nd and wasp season is at its high. And we use a new product which is from the brand GreenHero. GreenHero is a brand that we created especially for green pest control products. This product especially is called our frost spray. We use it with a new method to frost insects, which is completely thermal without chemicals. We frost them to a temperature of up to -50 degrees Celsius, and instantly, without seconds, insects are not possible to get used to the low temperatures, and therefore their cells, which contain water, burst and the crystals destroy them, which results in an instant death. We have created this smart nozzle right here that you can spray like this to have a bigger surface and with the power outlay quite a big spray. And when you use the smart nozzle and just slide it up real quick, you can spray into and peek into the nests and kill every wasp that is in the nest. The product is made 100% in Germany with highest quality raw materials, and we're very proud to inform you that it is in stock from now on.